Hi for this. Let's bake this little biscuits cake loaf. So in a bowl, you're going to add some butter and sugar. Mix that, or let me say cream that until it is light and fluffy. Then you're going to add in some eggs. I'll post the detailed recipe in the description box. So here I'm adding some eggs. I'm going to mix that in. Then you're going to add in your dry ingredients and the other ingredients, which are the flour, baking powder, salt, your milk, and then butterscotch flavor. Like I said, I will post the complete recipe in the description box below. So give that a good mix. You need to make sure there are no lumps and no flour. And keep in mind not to overmix this batter. So after that, you're going to scrape, just make sure everything is well combined. And then you're going to add in your Lotus biscuit cookies. Is it Biscoff? You're going to, like make it into crumbs and then add it into your batter. So fold that gently and then add it into a well prepared baking pan. You can use any type of baking pan. You can bake this as you would your regular cupcakes. You can just do whatever you like to bake this. So after putting it in my baking pan, I added more cookies on top and proceed to bake for I think 25-30 minutes in my oven. This is totally optional, by the way, because you will still add more cookies when you're done. Bake this in the oven, and this is how it looks after about 30 minutes. The cake is fully done. Allow it to cool down a bit, and then while it's still warm, you're going to add your Lotus biscuit spread on top and just spread everything. This takes this cake from, let's say, 70% to 100%. So after spreading the spread, you add in more crumbs and your cake is ready. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and also share. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing simple recipes that are so delicious and yummy. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.